So I just opened my trolley bag, which I'm going to use to Ethiopia, as well as to Russia and to Hungary in the next few months. And then, to partner with it, I bought this knapsack. Because of course, if you're going on safari, if you're going on wilderness adventures, it's always good to have a backpack. Just for overnight stays or for hiking or for anything. And I thought it would go very well on my back or with this. Can I just say I love Osprey bags. First of all, they're pretty stylish, nice to look at, very durable fabric, waterproof. And then look at all these interesting features. Inside, the colors are very nice so you can see very easily everything you have. Then there's a space for the phone, there's a space for batteries or chargers, lots of zippers, lots of easy to use handles. I love it. And there's so many pockets, so many places of storage. For example, there's this storage here, but at the same time, there's another storage here. Then, there's a third storage here. And finally, the last storage of all, which sort of fits my backpack.